Chào mừng đến với Vietnam Day màu sắc. Welcome to colorful Vietnam. Today we'll be visiting Pho Quang Cao Incense Village, which is located on the outskirts of Hanoi. What should we expect at Pho Quang Cao Incense Village? This village is a fun sight to see. Bamboo incense sticks are dyed with all different colors and then spread out to dry every morning. Since this is Vietnam, red is the most common color they use, but you can also see many other bright colors like green, yellow, purple, and maroon. With hundreds of bushels of incense sticks, this place almost looks like a flower garden. That's why in our introduction, I welcomed you to the most colorful city outside the outskirts of Hanoi, which is the incense village of Pho Quang Cao, located at Dien Phu State. What is the history of this incense village? According to the elders in the village's incense-making career originated from a Chinese tradition from the 13th century and developed to this day. Xin chào! Very beautiful! Yeah. Village. Wow! It's like a sea of incense. Ooh! And here you can see the how they make it. So we'll go to the factories and see how they make it. Very beautiful. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so dito ginagawa yung incense. O, tingnan nyo naman. O, diba? Ang ganda. The Vietnamese predominant religion is Buddhism, and they believe that lighting incense bridges the visible world to the invisible world. Therefore, on the full moon day, death memorial, funeral, or ghost month, Vietnamese usually burn incense to remember and show respect for their ancestors while praying good things for their families. This is a cultural heritage that contributes to the preservation of values and national identity. When is the best time to visit Pho Quang Cao Incense Village? Well, to get the best shots, visit this village in the summer or on sunny days when the strong yellow sunlight will highlight the vivid colors of the incense bundles. The best time to visit the incense village is anytime when it's not raining. Of course, because the incense sticks are only laid out when the weather is dry. However, if it rains, the incense sticks might have to be covered up to protect them. There are some indoor displays of incense in the village, but they're not nearly as photogenic as the outdoor displays. Very, very colorful. These are the materials needed to make the incense sticks. Number 1, of course, bamboo sticks. Number 2, wood glue. Number 3, charcoal powder. Number 4, unburned wood powder or sawdust. Number 5, sandalwood powder. Number 6, paint. And number 7, perfumes or fragrance oil. Para mabango yung incense, di ba? Hello! Xin chào! So, yung mga bamboo sticks, they have a dye here. Yan, they're dyeing. Hello. Very beautiful. Yan. So, we'll transfer to another location. In here, Xin chào. Hello. So, from the bamboo, they are binabundle. Yan. This is the process of bundling the bamboos. Yan. To make the incense. This is really manual labor. Hello. Yan. Manual labor. Dapat talaga matyaga ka. Thank you very much. So, this is a stage where the bamboos are halved or pinuputol siya. Hinahati. Yan, hati siya. So, ibang process naman ito. Yan. Thank you. Ooh, very hot. Hot. Okay. This is where they dye. Ito naman ay parang fuchsia pink. Very nice. Can I have a photo? Smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Thank you. Wow! Eto na, ang Instagrammable Incense Village. Very nice. Oh, hi Abu! Oo, eto na. just so that you would know that each number of incense sticks has a specific meaning, such as if you want to offer one incense stick, it symbolizes the heart, often used when praying for peace or good business. Offering 2 incense sticks, praying for the salvation of the dead, and used in the mourning period until the funeral ends. In Buddhism, when a person offers 3 incense sticks, it explains why 3 big centers are usually placed in the temple yard. There are many ritual meanings of this number 3 incense, but mostly compressions. Offering 5 incense sticks symbolizes Kim Mok Tuy Ho To, or the 5 elements of the earth. While offering 7 incense sticks means that you're praying for good things to happen. And if you're offering 9 incense sticks, it means impermanence, or a vital lesson in Buddhism that everything in life is temporary, that the time of one's life is as short as when the incense is. Above all, when visiting this incense village, please politely speak to the people, for they are doing usually hard work, and they're allowing you into their lives and into their homes and into their factories. Give them a smile. Show them their pictures. Give them thanks. Or buy them a bottle of water if you don't see one near them. We had an unfortunate experience. We saw groups of maybe Asians, because we have the same color of the skin, and these tourists pushed people around, forcing them into positions they felt were more photogenic, sometimes shouting at them to stop so they could get an image you wanted, and then when done, they leave without a single acknowledgement, without a single wave of thanks. Please don't be those people. Be kind and be better. We hope you enjoyed our visit to Pho Quang Cao Incense Village, which is located on the outskirts of Hanoi. Thanks for watching! Xin chào!